guys, you've got a car coming in.
That's what you're thinking it is the starvation. The question is, why is that? Yeah, yeah. Tell you going.
I have a 1969 Triumph TR6, which I bought new in 1969 and has recently been restored. And I was cranking a window down, and the window felt like it dropped in the channel, and it was no longer operable. And it is this window here. And what we've tried to do in this Get Your Hands Dirty session is repair it. And in order to do that, there's some fun and exciting maneuvers that have to take place, like removing the window winder handle and removing the door opening handle. And the good news is we appear to have fixed the problem without having to dissect the mechanism that raises and lowers the window. Judicious application of some lithium grease, pending application of maybe some more heavy-duty grease, has made the travel of the different pieces of this overly complicated mechanism work better, slide together better, so that the window raises and lowers.
I don't understand why it would have come out of that channel without that window coming loose. That's what's throwing me.
Yeah. The problem was right in here, where
This had come out of the channel.
yeah. So there's a projection from this thing that fits in the channel, and that it popped out.
Excellent. But I would definitely grease that. We're doing our fifth Get Your Hands Dirty session since fall last year. We're doing the window channels on Stetsons and Rogers cars, both TR6s. Stetsons ended up being the window mechanism actually came out of the window channel, which was kind of surprising. But we put that back in place, lubricated things up, and that one seems to be okay. Rogers needed a lot more work. He had one window that actually came out of the channel on the passenger side. We put new rubber in there. We've also refurbished both of the outer channels, window channels on both doors. So 4 channels altogether. We put new, actually we refurbished it with Velcro. And we'll put everything back in place, and hopefully everything operates. This is the window mechanism, this is the channel.
Right, yeah.
And this is the channel that the window mechanism rides in.
I'm not sure how that channel comes out.
Does this fit into this? It looks like it.
Yes,
does.
but
Okay.
it's in a channel, so it has to drop out. In order to do that, you have to undo that channel
Right, yeah.
to free it up enough where it could drop down.
I mean, that's gonna rattle. This rattles.
I mean, that,
I mean, if we're here, we'll also
I agree with you.
It just fell. So it broke the top.
Where is that
We
piece?
have the bracket.
Okay.
Ben?
Oh, sure, you done? Sure. I saw him when he was 10 years old. He was new. Time to new.
This flat tip works a lot easier.
Yeah, not this.
This flat tip screwdriver.
Roger, did you say this one's glued, the inner one? The inner waste seal is glued, not...
Yeah.
You got to pry it off then.
Yeah, there's a screwdriver. Just work it down.
They all want to see it.
Yeah.
I'm afraid you're gonna pull it through.
Let's try it. If we do, we just got another one.
Okay. You know what?
That's okay.
That's tight.
Yeah.
That had come disengaged from the channel, is that correct? Yes. And that was one of the reasons why it was unstable and rattling.
Okay, now this goes on which way? Which one is this?
Inside left. So it goes on like this.
Which way? Hold it tight. We good?
Yep.
Okay.
A fabricated bracket assembly here.
Did you replace those rivets too?
This one we just replaced.
Yeah.
And then what's the issue on the inside?
We have to grind this down, grind the inside down to make it level so when you put the felt in, the window doesn't drag on it.
And hopefully it'll still have purchase on the
Yes.
channel.
Low hanging fruit. They're there all the time. The ships steam through there and they're gone. I'm winging it. I have no idea what I'm doing here. So.
Well, it looks good.
Well, nobody's going to see it. So. That's correct.
Now all we have to do is put the door card back on and all of these pieces, and we'll be in business.
I got my hands dirty. Okay, 3-wire, which is this one. Everything else is unsatisfactory.
Years old, and it didn't get a new door card for 20 years. So, besides, I don't know enough guys who are crazy enough to help me with it. If I have to do it again.
We got a dozen of them
I
here.
think I've worn out my welcome.
Look around.
I've worn out my welcome.
You don't have any sense.
Son of a gun. Like surgery.
No,
Here we go.
it was so simple, isn't it?
Nope.
Put the little pin in the little hole.
Oh, he's got it.
By Jove.
You got it. That's that one. But that, you see that without the spring, that's what you have.
Yeah.
It actually ends up being tighter than what you'll get from. Gives you a nice little.
That's snug.
Yeah, this black is much better than a white. Much better. Yep.
And that's going to grip the window a lot better.
Right, yeah, you can do that, but you can custom. Right, yeah. And then, I forget how I found out about the
handle was thicker.
yeah, it's been a long
Because that's
time.
crap.
Okay.
It's in, but it's not in the channel. It's the channel.
Huh?
It's the channel.
Which channel?
My
The one
channel.
that's already in?
Yeah.
Let's see what I got here. Now. There it is.
I'd never believe it
What's that?
that you were able to rebuild that thing, but
Yeah, it took a minute to get work.
yeah, it did. Before you drive away today, we're gonna tighten everything up.
Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Better than the red one, Roger.
Good.
Let's go eat lunch.
Wow.
I don't know how to act. Man, what's going on with this window?
I wonder if you lubricate the spring, if it makes it better or worse. Because theoretically, it would be able to move more easily to keep that tension on if it were lubricated.
On the
On
spring?
the other hand, you could lubricate it so much that you wouldn't have any tension at all.
Right.
Let's try this thicker one at the other end.
Leave those in there and then they can test to see
Yeah.
which one they want to use.
Yeah.
You do what, a 360 there?
I don't think that's going anywhere. Going from the side, right? Yeah. That's that third house to do it.
Right after 3D.
Now what have you done?
Let's see what I got. Make sure we can get that good old wrench again.
That's better. It's too thick, it doesn't work with the glass.
Yeah, you got it. Got it, yeah.
What's the pain?
Under there.
Getting it up high enough.
That's it. Can you open the window?
The door doesn't close now?
That's pretty smooth.
They gotta be right on.
Yep, they'll do. School side, maybe a little bit more.
What if we put the window all the way down the door frame and then put this strip on it? Just for the, that's to hold the window channel in place. We're taking that out then.
I got this ass backwards. Pull it up. Right there.
Bolts to start it.
I need the bolts for this piece. Anywhere else is there?
I was trying to loosen this up and.
Is it upside down?
Maybe look.
Is there a light anywhere? Just want to make sure it's in.
There's a little, it's sticking out just a smidge.
Need a screwdriver then. There we go. Okay.
I don't know why that's so hard.
Anyway, Raj, this one's real loose here. So you're gonna have to watch this one.